This is YYN, from nothing to everything. Succulents. I love them, and I like to put them in different media, such as this one. A porcelain shoe, a ceramic skull, and a ceramic frog. This is a pencil stick or a fire tree. This is a Worthia, and this is a starfish flowered cactus. And one of the questions that I get asked most often is, how do I drill holes underneath these so that there is proper drainage? And the answer is always the same: very carefully and with the right tools. Let me just show you that each of these have drainage holes, or at least one drainage hole. Here's our shoe, and two drainage holes there. There's our skull, and as you can see, there's the drainage hole. And Froggy here has that drainage hole. To drill drainage holes in ceramic, glass, porcelain, and clay, you need three things: diamond dust coated hole saws, spray bottle with water, and power drill. Here is a ceramic vase, and we are going to drill a hole at the bottom. For this, we are going to use this bit to create that hole right there. The bit has been attached to our power drill. We are going to start creating our hole by placing the drill at about a 45-degree angle. As soon as the bit cuts into the ceramic, we want to slowly move the drill such that it is perpendicular to the ceramic. The phrase "let the tool do the work" is very much appropriate in this case. Let's start. Spray water is needed. And there is our hole. Once you've created your drainage hole, wash your media immediately. If you don't, any particles that came off as you created your hole may harden, and it may be difficult for you to clean that off after you've placed your beautiful succulents in this vase. Here is another milk jug, a ceramic one. Let's drill a hole. Let's start drilling. Important tips. Always use protective gear. Be patient. Start your drill at low speeds to reduce the chance of breaking your media. Lubricate while drilling. This extends the life of your bit, reduces dust, and helps create a clean hole. Wash and dry your bits immediately after use to prevent rusting. Practice with less valuable media. Only work on expensive material when you think you're ready. When drilling on glass, use a mask and gloves. And more importantly, have fun. If you like this video and found it helpful, click thumbs up and share. If you want to be notified of future videos, subscribe. Thanks for watching YYN, and until next time, toodles.